Hello students, in this video I am going to start about lysosomes. Lysosomes are kind of waste disposal system of cells. The Golgi function was to form lysosomes. The vesicle-like structure which I have shown in the diagram, the small circles which I have told its vesicles, they are found and they are called as lysosomes. Lysosomes are kind of waste disposal, which is the waste formed by ER and Golgi apparatus. The waste is disposed by lysosomes. Lysosome helps to keep the cell clean by digesting all the foreign materials. The worn out cells means the dead cells. It keeps clear the foreign material entering the cell such as bacteria or food, as well as old organelles end up in the lysosomes, which breaks them up into small pieces. The lysosome structure is like this, and when there is worn out cells or any dead cell, it captures into it and then it bursts and secretes digestive enzymes which digest all these dead organelles and all the worn out cells, and it clear out, so it also does digestion. Lysosomes are able to do this because they consist powerful digestive enzymes which are capable of breaking down all organic materials. During the disturbance in cellular metabolism, for example, when the cell gets damaged, lysosome may burst and then enzyme digest their own cell. Therefore, lysosomes are also known as suicidal backs of a cell. Structurally, lysosomes are membrane-bounded cells filled with digestive enzyme. This enzyme are made by RER, means rough endoplasmic reticulum, makes the enzyme which can digest all the cells which are dead. Then the second topic is mitochondria. Mitochondria. This means the network, means a thread-like structure. Mitochondria are known as powerhouse of the cell. It provides energy, that's why it's known as powerhouse of the cell. The energy required for various chemical activities needs for life is released by mitochondria in the form of ATP. ATP full form is adenosine triphosphate. Mitochondria provides energy in the form of ATP. ATP is known as energy currency of the cell. The energy stored in ATP for making new chemical compounds and for mechanical work. Mitochondria have two membranes. It has outer and inner membrane. Outer membrane, which is porous, and inner membrane is having a deep fold. This fold creates a large surface area for generating ATP. On the inner side, ATP is generated. Mitochondria are strange organelles in the sense because they have their own DNA. This is important thing. No cell organelle have their own DNA except mitochondria. Mitochondria have their own DNA and own ribosomes. Therefore, mitochondria are able to make their own proteins. This is the structure of mitochondria. It has its own DNA and there are ribosomes in it. This is matrix, means fluid-like structure. This is cyste, the fold-like structure, and inside there are some particles which can generate ATPs. These particles are known as F1 and F2 particles. They have two membranes, outer membrane and inner membrane, which is deeply folded, and outer membrane they have some pores on it. It has its own DNA. Presence of granules means ribosomes are also present, and between the two membranes there is intermembranous space, and the fluid is matrix. And this mitochondria is very important because it has its own DNA and it forms ATP, which helps in energy production. So please draw this structure and write the summary of both mitochondria and lysosomes in your own words. Thank you.